Hey, how's it going? We're here at Russell's Gold Moto meetup. We are standing here with Gumby, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his Kawasaki here.
Hi, Jim Langwell. Nobody knows me as Gumby, so this is my 78 KZ 650. Started out as a bobber, somebody chopped up pretty bad. I cut it up into pieces where it's just the frame and put 2007 R6 suspension, tires, and brakes. Of course, Danny Bally did the paint. It's got a bunch of miscellaneous parts on it. Can't really tell the work that's gone into it. It's got pretty clean. It's got a 720 big bore kit. It's got webcams in it.
Yeah. So obviously this swing arm is, I'm guessing, not 70 something Kawasaki. So what does this come off of?
So it came off of a 2007 R6 Yamaha.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how difficult was it to put that on? Was there a ton of fabrication?
There's a ton of fabrication. I ended up taking both sides of the frame and spreading them about 2 inches to fit it in there.
Yeah.
I fabricated all of the rear subframe and everything else. Front end went on pretty easy. All balls has conversion kit bearings for them, so they just go right on. So it comes out pretty easy.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. What made you choose this sort of white and turquoise?
When I was a kid, my dad had a lot of Pontiacs. Yeah, Pontiac engines in his car. That's a Pontiac.
I thought it looked familiar too.
And it just, for some reason, I thought it'd be really cool.
Yeah, and I knew there would have to be a story just because this is a pretty unique color that I haven't seen on a lot of bikes in general. Certainly like this cafe style. Cool.
I had Danny Bally paint the Ace Cafe emblems on there.
Oh yeah.
And I put the Rising Sun in there.
Yeah,
I love the British people.
As a British or as a Japanese bike owner,
right.
I'm right there with you.
So that's kind of the story there.
Yeah, that's so cool. Anyways, well, thanks for coming out to Motos.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time.